Wall-mounted RO water purifier, Kent Grand Plus. Step 1. Unpacking of the purifier. Carefully place the water purifier packing box on the plain surface. Cut the packing strips fixed on the packing box with the help of knife. Open the water purifier packing box. Take out all accessories from the packing box. Take out Kent Grand Plus Mineral RO water purifier from the packing box carefully. Place the water purifier on the plain surface. Remove the thermocol packing. Place the purifier on the kitchen slab. Remove the polythene cover from the water purifier. Items in the box. Kent Grand Plus Mineral RO water purifier 1. 3-way connector 1. SS ball valve 1. Food grade pipe, white and blue, 3 meters each. Screws and plastic inserts, 2 each. Instruction manual 1. Drilling sticker 1. Step 2. Setting up the water connection. Keep all the plumbing accessories and tools ready before turning off the main water supply line so that it gets interrupted for a minimum time. Turn off the main water supply line. Always install purifier on the normal water supply and not on the hot water supply. Take out the tap from water supply line carefully using a pipe wrench. This is a 3-way connector with an external thread. Use a Teflon tape to create a leak-free joint. It should be wrapped tightly on a 3-way connector in a clockwise direction only. Otherwise, it may loosen during tightening on water supply line. Cut off the excess tape. Insert external thread end of the 3-way connector into the water supply line. Use Teflon tape on the tap to create a leak-free joint. Now, insert the tap into the hex end of the 3-way connector and tighten it using pipe wrench. This is a SS ball valve. Use Teflon tape again on the SS ball valve thread to create a leak-free joint. Insert SS ball valve into 1 by 4 inches port of the 3-way connector. Take the white pipe and broaden up its mouth from one end by inserting a screwdriver into it. Remove the hex nut present on the SS ball valve. Insert this hex nut in the white pipe from the non-broadened end. Push the broadened end of the white pipe onto the SS ball valve. Make sure that pipe completely slips over the nipple of the SS ball valve. Tighten securely the hex nut on the SS ball valve to lock the pipe in its place. The water supply remains off when the lever is perpendicular to the SS ball valve body. The water supply remains on when the lever is parallel to the SS ball valve body. Step 3. Making preparations to mount the purifier. Every purifier has a drilling sticker with measured markings. Check for the proper horizontal level, which should be a plain, even surface. The drilling sticker should not be pasted inclined as water may overflow. Stick the drilling sticker in a proper horizontal straight line. Drill carefully 2 holes into the sticker markings using 8 mm drill bit. Drill holes to such a depth that the plastic inserts could go completely inside the hole. Push plastic inserts into the holes using a hammer. Insert 2 self-taping screws in both the holes using a screwdriver. Do not use hammer. Step 4. Installing the purifier. Place the purifier on a flat surface. Open the 4 screws holding its front transparent cover. Remove the front transparent cover. Cut the tie wires holding the sediment filter, activated carbon block, RO membrane housing and UV chamber in place. These components are so tied as to save them from getting damaged or dislocated from their position during transportation. Hang the purifier on the surface using slotted holes present on the back side of the purifier. Install water purifier in such a way that the purifier tap should be more than 18 inches high from the base and can fill containers easily. Remove dead plug from rejected water outlet by pressing elbow collet using one hand and pulling the dead plug with the other. Remove dead plug from raw water inlet by pressing elbow collet using one hand and pulling dead plug with the other. Fix one end of the blue pipe into rejected water outlet of water purifier. Push the pipe into the elbow to avoid any leakage. Lead the other end of the blue pipe in the drain. Take white pipe with the end not fixed to SS ball valve. Measure its distance from the water inlet of the purifier and cut off the extra length. Fix the end not fixed to SS ball valve of white pipe into the water inlet of water purifier. Clamp both white and blue pipes on the flat surface. Make sure that the rejected water pipe is not placed at a level higher than the purifier. Otherwise, the rejected water may flow backward into the purifier. Avoid sharp bends in the pipe fittings. Do not bend or block the rejected water pipe. Remove the dead plug connected to the UV chamber outlet and cut the yellow instruction tag. Connect the UV chamber output to the post carbon filter. Insert the power plug into the 3-pin socket. Turn on the water supply with SS ball valve lever. The water supply remains off when the lever is perpendicular to the SS ball valve body. The water supply remains on when the lever is parallel to the SS ball valve body. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes after turning on the water supply to pre-soak the filters. Switch on the electric supply. UV lamp will take 3 seconds to glow to ensure that it is preheated and is working at its optimum level before it starts disinfecting water. SV and pump will start operating after 5 seconds of glowing of UV lamp to ensure that the idle water lying in the internal pipes and in the UV chamber is disinfected before being passed into the storage tank. Check and fix the leakage in the purifier, if any. Let the purifier operate till the storage tanks get filled. The purifier shuts off automatically. This shows whether the float sensor is working properly or not. Switch off the purifier. Completely drain the storage tank into a container because the first few liters of water purified by the RO membrane may not be fit for drinking. After that, put the drain plug into its original position. Recheck the TDS level of raw water supply. Switch off the purifier. Take out the outlet pipe of the post-carbon filter from the purified water tank. Switch on the purifier. Check the TDS level of purified water coming out from the output of the post-carbon filter and not the tap water. Switch off the purifier and put the post-carbon filter outlet pipe into purified water tank. The purified water TDS level should reduce by approximately 90% of raw water TDS and should not be less than 50 ppm. The recommended TDS level is 50 to 75 ppm, but it could be adjusted to customer's choice or raw water TDS. Step 5. Adjusting TDS level. Switch on the purifier. To adjust the TDS level, unscrew the locking nut first. To increase the TDS of the purified water, slightly turn the adjustment knob anti-clockwise. To decrease the TDS of the purified water, slightly turn the adjustment knob clockwise. After adjustment, screw the locking nut. The adjustment takes roughly 3 to 4 minutes to reflect in the purified water, so wait before checking the TDS of the purified water. Recheck the overall functioning of the purifier and also any leakage, sound, etc. Before leaving, clean the stains on the purifier with a moist cloth and mild soap or detergent. Now, fix the front cover by screwing all the screws taken out earlier. Installation is now complete.